Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be working on our sink. This is a slow draining sink. If you notice, it doesn't drain as quickly as it should. Okay, so we're going to be working on that today. Today we're going to be using 3 tools. We might need this. These are homemade. It's just a piece of wire. I made a hook on the end. This is just to catch any hair or anything like that that might be stuck in the drain. A toothbrush. This is an old toothbrush. This will help you to remove any stuff on the walls of the tubes, and this will prevent any type of smells coming out of your sink. And this flexible tool that I just bought today, I put in a hook at the end of it with a little bit of tape, and this will help to catch any hair and also clean the pipe as we do this. There. Now get comfortable because you're gonna get... Okay, so this is the bottom of your sink. What we want to do down here is release this nut right here. It's a plastic nut. This is what actually plugs your sink. So we're just going to do this. And we're going to take it off. See, if you notice, it's very dirty. So there's still a little gunk in there. So we're going to clean that up, but we're just going to leave that alone for a bit. Let's go to the top. Okay, so now we're going to take off this right here. And if you notice, this is actually fairly clean. I had cleaned it not too long ago, but I'm thinking that it's plugged more down the pipe and not necessarily here. But oftentimes this is going to be plugged and it's going to be dirty. What you want to do is use your brush and then clean out all this, okay? All right, so we're going to use this tool right here, the homemade coat hanger with a hook. And let's see if we catch anything. Okay, so if you notice, there's hair that is coming out. All right, so I just put on some gloves because this is really disgusting and I didn't want to touch it with my hands. So I'm taking off all the hair that is coming out. See, this is really disgusting stuff in there. All sorts of gross things. Okay, so now we went as far as we could with our hand tool. Now we're going to use this flexible tool with a brush at the end and my homemade hook. This is made out of a paper clip with some duct tape to catch any hair or anything that might be stuck down the pipe. All right, so now we're going to insert it nice and easy. And try to go in as far as you can, and because this is flexible, you want to try to get it in as far as you can. Okay, and we're having a hard time getting through here, so I'm just gonna take this clip off for a bit and see how far I can get it to see if there's anything else deeper. Let me just go without that. Okay, so I'm trying to go as far as I can with this to see if there's anything stuck on the pipe. And if you notice, this is a very, very long cable. Okay, let me try and see if it unplugged any. Okay, so I'm just going to plug this back in just momentarily because I want to run water. And I don't want water to come out at the bottom here, so I'm just going to put it in and then run water and test it. All right, so now if you notice, now the sink is working good. There's no water that is being stopped and is draining fast the way we want it. So please like the video and subscribe, please. Okay, let's go for a few subscriptions and a few likes. Thank you very much. Hi YouTube.